Savyavasa in many ways is a good illustration of the design principles of SCDA. It captures the fundamentals of design, which is space and order. And order in many ways can enhance the connection of the user to the space and the design. Order as procession is the choreography of the arrival experience. Order as transition, all the spaces that we design are transitional spaces. Order as repetition, by repeating structure, you create a colonnade. Dharmawangsa, where Savyavasa is located, it's kind of a residential Dutch colonial area. So we derive some of the inspirations from there, where the user experiences the culture and history and climate of the place. Given that this site was rather unique, dense and foliage. Also, how do you take nature up a high-rise building? We start by looking at what the site presents. The site at Savyavasa is full of mature trees. So that strategy of retaining nature, enhancing nature, is very important. When you're living in a unit upstairs, you want to be connected to the park. To do that, you need to design a space that draws the user out to a porch or veranda. And you're able to create a product that creates a sense of tranquility and beauty. That kind of quality of space is where most people feel most comfortable. Understated luxury means starting with very good craftsmanship and material. By using natural materials like stone, textured stone, timber finishes, create a layer of tactility for the user in order to create that organic connection to the site. And that's especially true in the common areas and in the porch where you live. We started with passive design strategies, like orientating the building that they don't face the most intense sunlight. We also designed vertical screens that prevents the sun from direct contact from the double glazed glass. Our landscape architects have also incorporated water retention strategies and bioswales to limit the use of water as a resource. If I could re-emphasize the arrival at a higher plane, I could tuck the clubhouses into the earth and de-emphasize the structure and landscape over it. In that way, we have instead chosen to hide all the amenities so that you're not distracted from nature. The idea of quality living is quite universal, and we are bringing that understanding of quality international living to Jakarta through Savyavasa.
It has been a pleasure to collaborate with two internationally reputable developers, Swire Properties and JSI. Each brought their deep experience in design, management, and sustainable development to create this very unique and memorable project within the city of Jakarta.